How to buy crypto on MoonPay with PayPal. So basically, how you can buy crypto or Bitcoin. And this is the steps. So first thing you want to do is obviously download the app. So get the app, download the BitPay or the Bitcoin or the MoonPay account. And then tap buy crypto. So by tapping the buy button on the app's home screen, you can buy the crypto with your PayPal account. So in step 3, you can choose your amount and the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. So enter the amount and the type of cryptocurrency you want to purchase, like for example, Bitcoin. So in simply just enter the amount and convert the coin. And in addition, you can also choose MoonPay as a payment method. So choose PayPal as your payment method as well if you want to pay with PayPal using MoonPay. So along with PayPal, you can buy crypto with a credit card like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Venmo and instant bank transfers. And lastly, complete your purchase or PayPal transaction with MoonPay. So it's that simple. Just go to the MoonPay website or app and then choose the PayPal option. Like as you can see in the photo right here, you can choose the payment option with PayPal, type the Bitcoin address, and then you can now pay the amount. So that's how you can basically buy crypto on MoonPay with your PayPal account.